Alright there, Pokemon fans. We're going to do an unboxing video of the Elite Trainer Box Battle Styles for Sword and Shield. Pokéx is here to do the honors, so let's get this party started.
Yeah. Okay, so just open it up first. Take this part out. Put it over there. We don't need that much stuff. Okay. This is what made it taller.
That's the tall maker.
Tall.
Alright. They're here for the action, son. Let's give them the action.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to get our first deck. Pack.
This guy. Booster pack.
I meant that. Just open it.
These are all the pulls that we've been getting from the other boxes that we've opened up. So,
Look at that
well, not
one.
this one's. The Charizard and the Mewtwo are kind of there for standard.
Yeah.
Standard purposes from other stuff, but everything else is a pull, including the rainbows, or the rainbow rather.
Rainbow
All right.
Bear.
Well, get it.
Get the code card. Get some Pokemon.
Who wants it?
Okay, now we're just going to 3-4 to the front. Okay, Energy, Dottler, Pignite, Level Ball, Corphish, Salandit, it's like a real life one, Roly Coly, Esper, Shinx, Artillery Reverse, and
Aegislash.
put that one over there.
All good. All good.
Okay, move these cards.
Next.
Next one. Okay, so we got the code card. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Energy. Purugly. Tower of Darkness. Girder. Silicobra. Honder. Lickitungs. Horsey. Mankey. Gligar. And
whack.
that was whack.
That was pretty whack.
Okay. Just gonna go. Now we're gonna get another pack. This one's pretty hard. So, open it up. It's actually a smarter way to open it that way. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Energy. NVD. Crawdon. Tower of Waters. Electabuzz. Esper. Timber. Slowpoke. Corphish. Level Ball Reverse. And
Electivire.
non-hollow.
Non-hollow.
It's the blue box. I'm telling you. It's the blue. Okay, now let's get this one. Let's open it up. Put that over there. Get some free Pokemon. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Green. Energy. Seadra. Weepinbell.
Classic.
Sherding. Spoink. Roly Coly. Frillish. Esper. Blipbug. Phoebe. And
Artillery.
that's cool.
Nice. Look at that hollow right there. That is nice.
Let's get another pack.
Straight into the sleeve. Gotta protect it.
Okay, let's open up another pack. Feeling this one's gonna be good.
I'm feeling it.
Don't show them.
Don't show them all, man.
Code card.
Get that code
1,
card.
2, 3, 4. I'm gonna think it's water.
Just
Nope.
in case you guys missed that code card.
Yep. Energy. Pignite. Level Ball. Morpeko.
Morpeko.
Mindfu. Or Meanfu. Ball Toy.
Mr.
Mime.
Mime with the classic.
Formantis.
Classic.
Bureau. Horsey.
Ooh, another Marowak.
I might rip this.
That's so whack.
So move these cards. Boom. How much we got?
Got 3 packs left.
3 packs. But this is,
This is the one. Last 3 are going to be all 3 rainbows.
I bet,
Imagine.
nothing.
That'd be crazy.
I bet nothing.
Well, that's not good. You just manifested a bad way to win.
Well, I bet nothing, because what if it's not?
Boom.
Get some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front.
4 to the front.
Okay, Energy. Level Ball.
Super.
Spewpaw. Gliscor.
That's a new one.
Slowpoke. Corphish. Salandit.
Salandit.
Roly-Poly.
Salandit.
Esper.
Ooh, that looks nice. I like that
Reverse.
reverse.
Oh!
Oh, what do we got?
Oh!
Oh, nice.
Look at that!
Did we not call a beautiful card? I mean, they didn't call it's not a rainbow, but you look at all those colors. That looks to me like a rainbow.
It
I think
looks
that's
like-
what they were telling us.
That tells like
That's
a
what I'm talking
rainbow.
about.
Get that in his sleeve right now.
In a sleeve.
Yeah.
Bam. First big win.
Look at that.
Let's do it.
Let's see these other cards too.
And Victini V Max. So that must be a level up. Yeah, that is 190 to 310. Look at that.
Whoa, 310? That's pretty good.
That's bigger than Charizard.
I know, I was looking at that. Okay, so we
I
got
think they'd actually make one stronger than Charizard.
some free Pokemon.
Get it.
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Grass. Nope.
Get that
Water.
rainbow.
Energy. Shared. Carkle. Dottler.
That's anyone.
Gligger. Or Gligar.
The Spoink.
Spoink. Bronzor. Or Bronzor.
Pig.
The Pig.
Pachirisu.
Oh, a
I like
reverse.
that one.
Oh.
Oh, Claydol. Alrighty.
We have like 2 of those.
We do. Nice.
Okay, so the only pull right now is this.
One. Last one. This
Last
has to be
one.
it.
It has to
Saving the best for last. This is it.
The best
This
is
the
for
rainbow.
last.
This is the rainbow. Frickin'. What's the best card we can get in this one?
The Charizard? Maybe?
Would it be the
Is there a Charizard?
Probably. Let's see.
I don't even know if there is a Charizard.
Is there a Charizard in this one? No. Let's see one.
There might not be a Charizard.
Maybe
Okay.
the gold cards are pretty good. I don't
Maybe.
know. They're pretty high in the thing.
Free
But we did get
Pokemon.
Mr. Mustard.
Mr. Mustard right there.
Yep.
We got 2, 3, 4 to the front. Nice. Energy. Tool Jammer. Haven't seen
Nice.
that one.
Ooh,
Bruxish.
Bruxish. Whoa, these are all new.
Yeah.
These
Oh,
are new.
we saw that one.
Lick
Tongue.
Classic.
Electabuzz.
Classic.
Esper.
Not classic.
Timber.
Timber.
A reverse mustard. And is it? Dang it.
Ugly fish.
Mustard and mustard.
All right, so the big win for this box was the Victini V Max. Maybe we should do a PSA on
It
this.
takes off the shine on it.
Well, yeah. I mean, you're going to have a little bit of dullness with these, but that's why you get the other types. But all right.
Yeah.
Nice win. Nice win for the box. We've got something decent. I'll take it.
Take it.
And we'll see you guys on the next unboxing video. Mr. Stacker out.
And Pokey.
PokéX.